JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning today. We're going to talk about marketing. Marketing is probably the most important thing about your business, whether it's a service business or a product or whatever your business may be. Now, we focus specifically on carpet cleaning because that's obviously what we do. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business. We are very much aware there are hundreds, if not thousands, of different business opportunities out there, from carpet cleaning franchises. There's ChemDry, there's OxyFresh, Heaven's Best, Zero Res, Stanley Steamer. There's all those different franchises out there. You have probably a lot more independent carpet cleaners than you do actual franchises, mom and pop, or some guy decides to buy a truck mount and starts cleaning carpet, which is fine. It's a wonderful business to get into, very profitable. You can set your own schedule, all those great things. However, the most important thing, like I said, is your marketing. Because I don't care if you have the best product or the best service on the planet, if nobody knows you do it, you can't make a dime. So if you're looking into a business, find out what kind of marketing you get with the business. Do they market for you? Do you pay them to market? A lot of franchises, you're going to pay them a pretty penny to do the marketing for you, which is good if you're seeing a good return on that money. Happy to answer any questions you may have.